How to install Catchontv with Android TV. Yeah, good thing that Android TV is capable of downloading third-party applications because this is actually in partnership with Google Play. You just gotta go ahead and head directly into apps and then just simply look for Catchontv. And then if you go ahead and get into CatchontV's official site, scroll down from here. You should be able to see that Catchontv is actually supported with Android TV. However, it's going to be case-to-case basis because it's going to be depending on the make and model of your Android television. And not all Android TV has a built-in app store. So if in case this is happening to you that you cannot download third-party applications, just simply download it on a separate laptop or PC and then just simply plug in an external USB drive into your Android TV. And that is how you install Catch on TV on Android TV.